Okay, guys. There's a train coming. No, son! Ah, I need an ankle. Sheesh. Let's give me a sec. Man, they're working hard. Haven't passed the train since 13 days. Wow. All we have to CSI to hurry and check before I start the video. Right now they're lucky. It's like in the 30s. Yeah, it's like in the 30s right now. Freezing. Good Lord, this is freezing. Imagine if we can FedEx. Another FedEx way down there. There's Prime. Yeah, those FedEx. Yeah. UPS. Guys, it's freezing. Hey, look at that. It's smoking. Looks like on fire or something. Yeah, it looks like it. But you can see it's all from down there. So bye.